Hello children, Sai Ram to you all. How are you all? Fit and fine? So ready for active English? Okay. So today we'll start a new chapter. Now just tell me, many times when you go to your friend's house for playing, right? You play with their toys, isn't it? Now while playing, many times you compare your toys with your friend's toys, isn't it? Right? I'm right, isn't it? So you compare your toys with your friend's toys. And then in your mind it goes on, oh, she has more dolls than me. Oh, he has a few cars. I have more, right? So you compare with your friend's toys, isn't it? So you compare here who has more, who has less, who has few, isn't it? So again you are comparing here your toys. So what we are going to do today is we are going to learn something more about comparison, okay, in today's lesson, that is chapter 5. So are you ready with your book and pencil and eraser also if you need? Okay, so shall we start? Now chapter 7 again of active English. Okay, here we are going to deal with few words which are used in the comparative degree. Okay, and they are more, fewer and less. Okay, so more is a comparative degree of much, many, right? And fewer is for few and less is for little. Okay, so much, many, it is a positive degree, more comparative, and most will be the superlative degree, which we have learned, right? You know what are the degrees of comparison now. So today we are going to learn more how to use these comparative degrees, okay, with the help of the pictures. Okay, which are the three words? More, fewer and less. Now when to use them? Okay, now the word more. Okay, you can see more. Okay, so when we can use it? Before any of the countable and uncountable nouns. Now you know what are nouns, right? And what are countable and uncountable? Countable means which we can count, and uncountable means the noun which we cannot count. Simple, right? Okay. So when a word is there which is a noun and it is countable, or whether it is uncountable or countable, we use more before that word when we are comparing. Okay. Then next word is fewer. When to use it? Whenever there is any countable nouns. Okay, whenever there is a noun which you are comparing, okay, so what you have to do here, whether that noun is countable or uncountable, depending on that you are going to use these words. So here if fewer is there, it is to be used before countable nouns. The third one is less. Now you have to use this word whenever you will find the uncountable nouns. Okay, so for uncountable nouns, we are going to use less. Got it? So which are the three words? More, fewer and less. Now we are also going to use the word than. Now it is used while comparing two things. For example, he is taller, okay, taller than me. So you are comparing yourself and your friend, and then you are comparing the height, right? Who is tall? Taller, right? Taller. So here is a comparative degree. So you are comparing. So when you are doing this, you are using the word than. Now let's start with our exercise which is there in your book. So your book is ready, right? Okay. So the question goes, finish the sentences. Okay. Now what are the sentences? Let's see. Okay. So here you can see the first sentence and you can also see two pictures. One is of Prem and another is Mohan. They are carrying something in their hands, right? They're holding. What is it? Oh, cars, right? So you can see Prem is carrying 2 cars, whereas Mohan, I think more than 2, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, we can see 4 cars there, isn't it? So now just looking at the picture, we are going to compare them. Okay, so the first sentence is Mohan has dash cars than Prem. So we are comparing the cars here, right? Cars, they are the countable nouns. We can count the cars, isn't it? So what will come here? Mohan has more cars than Prem. Right? Mohan has more cars than Prem. So we can use more for countable also, uncountable also, right? So here the answer is more cars. Now here, second one. Again the same, Prem and Mohan. Prem has dash cars than Mohan. Cars, remember it is countable noun. So what will come? Fewer or less? Fewer. Prem has fewer cars than Mohan. Okay. Third one. Now again Maya and Anu you can see there. Anu has dash oranges, dash Maya. Now they are, we can see in the hands, oranges are there and we can see how many are there in each of them, with each of them, right? So Anu, we can see she is holding 4 oranges, more oranges, right? Then Maya is carrying only 2. So what will be the answer? Anu has more oranges than Maya. Anu has more oranges than Maya, right? We are counting them, countable nouns. Fourth one, Maya has dash than Anu. Maya has dash than Anu. So what will be the answer? Fewer oranges. So Maya has fewer oranges than Anu. Right? Oranges we can count, right? And we are comparing and we can also find the word than there, right? You can see the word here, then. Yes. So Maya has fewer oranges than. Okay. Now the fifth one. Again more picture you can see of Radha and Raj, right? We can see Radha and Raj. Again they are holding something in their hands. What it is? Books, right? They have books in their hand. So Raj has dash Radha. What it is? Raj has dash Radha. So the answer will be Raj has more books than Radha. Raj has more books than Radha. Again we are comparing the books, so more books. Then the sixth one. Radha has dash Raj. Again we are comparing books only. Radha has dash Raj. What will it be? Radha has fewer books than Raj. Radha has fewer books than Raj, right? Books are compared here and Radha has fewer, right? If you compare the books with Raj. So Radha has fewer books than Raj. Clear till here? Okay. Now, here again, two friends, Prem and Mohan. They are holding something in their hand. What it is? Ink bottle, right? Now ink, is it countable or it is uncountable? Yes, it is uncountable, right? We cannot count ink. So it is uncountable noun. So now we are going to compare the uncountable nouns. So what we are going to use? More. Yes, because more is used for both countable also and uncountable also, right? But fewer, we cannot use here fewer, right? Why? Because fewer we use for countable nouns, and for uncountable what we have to use? Less, isn't it? So let's see how to use them. Now here you can see the first one is done. Mohan has dash ink than Prem. Okay, so you can see the ink bottles. You have to compare the ink bottles here. Alright, the bottle which Mohan is carrying is a big one, right? It is bigger than the bottle which is carried by Prem. So Mohan has more ink than Prem. Okay, ink is uncountable now. So next one, again Prem and Mohan. Prem has less dash. Again what we are comparing? Ink bottles only, because we can see them, right? So Prem has less ink than Mohan. Prem has less ink than Mohan. Okay, so why we have used less here? Because ink is uncountable now. That is why the word less is used here. Third picture is of Maya and Anu, right? Now again they are holding something. Okay, Maya is holding what? Something glass, and Anu is holding a pot, right, of water. So the sentence is, Anu has dash water dash Maya. So again we are comparing something. What it is? Water, right? Now let's see. The answer is, Anu has more water than Maya. Anu has more water. Of course it is more because she is carrying pot, right? So Anu has more water than Maya. We have also used the word than. Next, again Maya and Anu, the same picture. Maya has dash Anu. Now again Maya, she is holding a glass, whereas Anu is holding water. So of course Maya has less water than Anu. We cannot use here few. Why? Because we are comparing water, and water is uncountable noun. So Maya has less. We have to use the word less. So Maya has less water than Anu. Now Radha and Raj, again they are holding the, I think, milk bottle, right? Raj is holding a milk bottle, whereas Radha is holding a glass of milk, and Raj is holding milk bottle, a bottle of milk. So Raj has dash milk dash. So what it will be? Raj has more milk than Radha. Of course, yes, the bottle carries more milk, right, as compared to the glass. So Raj has more milk than Radha. Now Radha Raj again. Sixth sentence. Radha has dash. Radha has less milk than Raj. Radha has less milk than Raj, because she is holding glass, right? So she has less milk as compared to Raj. Now let's go ahead with our next question. Draw a line under the right word. Okay, draw a line under the right word. Now let's see what it is. Okay, so here you can see pictures and a sentence is also there. So you can see glass and cup, right? And the sentence is, a glass holds dash water than a cup. So we have to fill which is the correct one. We have to underline more, fewer, or less. Now we have to compare two things. Okay, we have to compare water, right? But the water in these two things, that is in the glass and a cup. So what do you think? A glass will hold more water or less water? Because water is what? Uncountable noun, right? So a glass holds dash water than a cup. Glass is bigger, right? Glass is big. So what will be your answer? Yes, a glass holds, right? More is the answer. What will be the answer? A glass holds more water than a cup. A glass holds more water than a cup. Okay. Next. Now, A big book has dash pages than a newspaper. Now again we have to compare book and newspapers pages, right? So what do you think a book has? A book has a big book it is, right? So definitely it will carry more pages, it will have more pages. So what will be our answer? Pages, again we can count them. So a book has more pages than a newspaper, right? A book has more pages than a newspaper. Clear? So let's move. Now third, you can see car and a bus. A car holds dash people than a bus. So again, we are comparing people here. Okay. So, and we have to compare people sitting in the car and bus. So definitely bus is bigger, right, than the car. So what will be your answer? A car holds fewer or less. Fewer is used for countable and less for uncountable. And we are counting what here? People. So people is countable noun. So what will be our answer? A car holds. A car holds. The answer will be fewer people than a bus. Answer is fewer. So you have to underline the word fewer there. Clear? Next, a school has dash rooms than a house. Okay, a school has dash rooms. Now, rooms are compared here of which places? School and a house. So, what do you think? Who will have more or less rooms? So, here we are talking about school. A school has, right? So, first school is there. So, we are comparing school to a house. So, a school has, again rooms are countable. So, a school has more rooms or fewer rooms. What do you think? Yes, a school has more rooms than a house. Right? A school has more rooms than a house. Clear till here? So, we are comparing two. Again, we have to see whether they are the thing which we are comparing, it is countable or uncountable, right? So, the nouns which are countable or uncountable, that we have to see first, and accordingly we have to select the answer. Okay, let's move ahead. Now here, the fifth one. A river has dash water than the sea. Now here you can see a picture of river first, and then you can see the picture of sea. Now of course, if you'll compare river and sea, sea will carry more water, isn't it? Sea is bigger than the river. So what will be our answer? A river has less water than the sea. A river has less water than the sea. Let's move ahead. Okay, now a classroom has dash books than a library. Again, we can see towards the left hand side, we can see the classroom, right? And then right side, you can see the library, picture of library. Of course, library carries more books, right? Because there are many books there kept, right? And in class, we can hardly find few of the books, right? So, classroom has dash books than a library. So, definitely, what will be the answer? A classroom has fewer books than a library, right? A classroom has fewer books than a library. Seventh one. Now, again, we can see the picture of a bucket and a lorry. Now, if you compare these two, bucket and lorry, again we can find that the lorry is bigger one, right? Lorry is bigger one as compared to a bucket. And what we are comparing here? Sand, right? Sand in the bucket and sand in the lorry. So of course, what will bucket will hold more or the lorry? So bucket, lorry, right? Because lorry is bigger than the bucket. So here the first picture is of bucket. So what it is written? A bucket holds. Now sand, is it we are comparing sand, right? So it is countable or uncountable? Yes, sand is uncountable, right? So a bucket holds, what will be the answer? Less sand than a lorry. A bucket holds less sand than a lorry. Got it? Okay. Now, here again picture, we can see paint, right, in a tin and paint in a cup, right? Now we have to compare these two, and while comparing we have to see the paint. Okay, so we are again comparing the paint in either paint in a tin and paint in a cup. Now the first picture is of, yes, a tin. So we are comparing tin with a cup. The paint in a tin and a paint with a paint in a cup. So now who will carry more, right? Tin is bigger. So a tin holds, what will be the answer? A tin holds more paint than a cup. A tin holds more paint than a cup. Clear? Now I hope you have followed when to use these words. More, less and fewer. They are comparative degrees, right? So more we can use before. Yes, countable noun and also uncountable noun. Fewer, the word fewer we can use before countable nouns only. And less, we can use, we have less word is there. The word less we will use before uncountable nouns. Okay, I hope the concept is clear and you have followed till here. Okay, so we'll stop here for the day and see you in the next chapter. Bye.